Hey everybody, I just wanted to talk to you guys about Mousse bibs. I'm a C-class rider. I'm new to the single track world on the East Coast. I chose to ride bibs because I drive a long way to my races and I don't want to go home because of a flat tire. Bibs are a unique item. I've learned a lot since I started using them. This is the first bib that I purchased. I have approximately 100 hours on this bib. This is the Michelin M18 120, 190, 18 Enduro, or 100, 118 Cross M18. Hope you guys can see that. I'm showing this on my cell phone. I had an incident for the first time at approximately 100 hours where I was running an MX-14 in single track on what presumed to be a mud race. Ended up not being a mud race, but the M14 worked well for me. I got no complaints about it. And I got home to wash my bike, and I went to go ride it around my neighborhood, just make sure my electronics were good and dry the bike off a little bit. And it felt like my back tire was flat. I pulled this out expecting it to be completely disintegrated or damaged. I did a good job at maintaining lubrication. I started off at lubricating it and re-lubricating it every 5 hours. Then it didn't seem like it needed it, so I went to like 10 to 15, and then I started just doing it every time I needed to change the tire. Every time I pulled it out, it looked just like this. I don't know if you can see it, but this thing looks like it's in pristine condition. Now, I pulled it out this last time because it felt like a flat tire. And when I pulled it out, I was very surprised that it wasn't completely disintegrated. And I had a race that weekend via the Tri-State Cross Country Series in Virginia. That was the next day, so I decided to order a new one, but I was going to get it for a couple days, so I ran a tube for that race, and now I've got the new MX, or what is it called? M18, same exact Mousse, and I wanted to explain to people because I couldn't find any videos that would describe what a worn Mousse tube looks like and does. So I thought it would disintegrate or be obvious that it was worn out, other than just showing signs of a flat tire. And just by basic comparison, if you stick these two onto a flat surface, it's super obvious that they are not. The old Mousse has literally shrank in height compared to the new Mousse. That's on a flat surface next to my bike, and that is a significant height difference. So I also wanted to look at what the width difference is, and in order to do that, I just wanted to set I had a caliper, which isn't super accurate for this application, but it's good enough for reference on video. This caliper is basically set to match my old Mousse. Yeah, I know this isn't completely accurate, that's why I'm not going to give a measurement, but if you look at it against my new Mousse, it doesn't fit. A bigger representation of that would be to scale it to my new Mousse without squeezing it, and then put it back onto my old Mousse for reference. Look at the difference in the gap of the width of it. I think that is heavily underestimating what the difference is in wear between a new Mousse and an old Mousse. I'm still going to keep this old Mousse so that when my new Mousse wears out, instead of buying a new one, I'm going to just add a segment of material similar to what they do in the Wolf Mousse balls, and try and save some money that way. So I hope this video was helpful. If you guys have any other questions or comments, let me know. From a C-Class rider, keep her tight.